Hi, hey everyone, welcome back to the DevOps Lab Series. In the previous video, I showed you the overall setup I'm going to use to build my home DevOps lab locally on my MacBook. In today's video, we are going to actually start setting up that environment. First, I'll show you how to create Broadcom account and download VMware Fusion. Then we will install VMware Fusion on our Mac, download Ubuntu server for Apple Silicon, and finally create a custom VNet, a custom virtual net for our lab. And that custom network is actually pretty important because as we build this lab, we are not going to have just one virtual machine. We are going to have multiple servers and services that need to communicate with each other. And also, using the custom network, you don't need to depend on the network which is provided by your LAN, Wi Fi, or any other. It will be completely independent and you can communicate with the internet irrespective of changing of your any Wi Fi network. So, I'll explain why we are creating a separate network, how it works, and what benefit it gives us in a DevOps lab. By the end of this video, we will have the basic virtualization environment ready and we will be ready to create our first Linux virtual machine in the next video. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my Firefox. So first I'm going to log in into my Broadcom account. Broadcom VMware Fusion. Okay, so here you are seeing the first link. Click on this. It will show you like this. So we have to download VMware Fusion Pro for our Mac. Okay, and if you're working on Windows, you can download VMware Workstation Pro. I'm working on Mac, so I'm going to download VMware Fusion Pro. Click here. So it is going to ask you your account name. If you have not created, first you have to create it, right? Login. If you are a new user, you have to register here, right? You have to give your email and then all the details you have to submit, and you will be able to create the account. It's free of cost. There is no charges. And even downloading this VMware Fusion is also free of cost. So I have created already my account. Let me enter my password. Okay, here you come. So what you have to do, you have to just come here, my download, and free software download available here. Click here. Now search here. VMware Fusion. This is the VMware Fusion. Come here, and you have to download VMware Fusion 13. Let's download latest one. Download it. Yes. You have to give your name. I agree. Submit. You have to give all these details and submit. Any company, you can put ABC, state ABC, city ABC. and address ABC, zip 22, anything. I've given some dummy details here. Account verification is successful. Now come here and again download. Now it has started to download the .dmg file. After completion of this DMG file, you have to just click on it. It will be like this. Double click to install VMware Fusion. And in my system, VMware Fusion is already installed. I don't need to do it, but you can click here and install it. Once you will install, uh, you can search it by like this. This kind of video will open. You will see this upper ribbon here, and also you will see like this. So before going here and show you how you can create custom vnet, let's also download uh, Ubuntu server. Ubuntu server for Mac. Here you come. Now here you are seeing Ubuntu server for. Here you are seeing all these tabs: desktop, server, WSL, core, cloud. So we have to download from server. Here you are seeing Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. If you are using Windows or any older uh, Apple laptop which uses Intel chip, you can download it from here. Otherwise, and you have to click here for ARM. All the Apple Silicon or Apple M1 series, M2 series, M3 series, M4 series, M5 series have Apple ARM chip. You have to come here and download the software. This is Ubuntu 26.04 long term support LTS. You can download it. If you'll click here, the download will start. It's 2.9 GB. So it is going to download. And for the alternative version, you can come here and check any other alternative versions. So in my system, I think I have Ubuntu 24.04 or 02. We will see 04, I guess. I have. So you can download 26.04, no problem. You can use that. So let it download. It will take some time. And so now we have VMware Fusion installed in our system, and we have Ubuntu Server OS with us. Okay, now let's create a custom VNet. So once you open this, you have to come here, go in settings. There is network. If you see here, I have created these private, two custom VNets, VNet 2, VNet 3, right? And there is a private Mac and Wi-Fi. So shared with the Mac. So why I have created, if you see here, this is grayed out 192.168.25.0, and here I created 192.168.30.0, and subnet mask is 220, 255, 255, 255. That means slash 24. First, you have to click here. You have to give your password here. Otherwise, I'm going to give my password here. Okay, it's unlocked. Now it's not grayed out. I can change it, right? Likewise, I can create a new custom VNet. This is custom VNet 4. Subnet IP, I can give 192.168 50.0. Now, whenever I will choose custom VNet 4, all VMs will get sub IPs from here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this option, allow virtual machine on this network to connect to external network. So once I'll select this, our virtual machine will able to communicate to the external world or able to reach to the internet. So I'm going to select it. I don't need to enable IPv6. I don't need to do any port forwarding. I have to just do apply. Now this subnet IP subnet is created. We will leave M2 as system configuration. We don't need to do anything here. So this is our new custom VNet, right? And we will close it. Now we are going to create new virtual machine. We will click new and we will create virtual machine. How we will create virtual machine? We will see in next video. Thank you.